Hi everyone, I am very pleased to be back here, this time with a workshop called Stop in the Name of Love, or Cookies, or Toys. I am not going to sing that title, but this is about the remote stop. So this is about the behavior where you want the dog to come to a stop at a distance from you. The importance of getting the sequence right. So the sequence is click the stillness, then raise your arm and throw the treat. So at the moment when you would usually be clicking the stillness, you are giving your cue for the behavior you want instead. So whilst your dog is eating the treat, you're going to throw out more treats. So your goal is to keep the dog hanging out at a distance in the reinforcement zone. So just as before, if your dog finishes eating that treat and turns around and looks at you and you're thinking, oh no, you're going to come back towards me, please don't come back towards me, then the way to keep the dog at a distance is to throw food, throw more food.